Hey everybody, welcome back to another recording. Another episode in the horror series. So last time we were in there, we got that all barricaded off here. Alright, ready for the next part. Let's see what we got ahead of us. Oops. Alright. There we go. Oh, we got some stairs, some red torches, and some creepy looking stairs. Alright, let's get up here. Open this door. That doesn't sound good in there. Normal doors cannot contain the beasts. Enter at your own demise? You have been warned? Oh man. Oh boy. This is something. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness, so many. It's lagging me. Well, let's just add something special here. Golden apple. Oh man. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I might have got a little carried away with these blinds in this one. Oh no! What has happened to me? I need to get in this room. Oh no! We have to regain our sanity. Oh, come on. No! Man, I think I should give myself some more sanity potions. This This is horrifying. How long am I insane for? I can't. Oh no! Oh man! I'm sorry guys, but I gotta drink another one of these potions. I should give myself more. I didn't realize how bad it was gonna be. Alright. This. It's one more. Whew. Let's get loots. Let's get another one of those potions. Just so we can get done with this room. Oh my gosh. This is horrifying. Oops, I had to put the light back soon. Let's get this out. Some new gear here. Don't think it's better than what I have, but we'll just take it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Got worried with this next room now. Come on. There's quite a few spawners here. Get them before they start spawning. I put way too many down. Hopefully that's almost all of them. Oh man. I might put another one up here. Oh, we're finally out. We're finally out of there. We can finally get out of here. Ah. Ah. What? What are all these spawners? Oh no. Weeping angels. Let's get rid of these right away. Don't see any weeping angels around? Do you? Don't see any. Okay. I think we're okay. Oh. Oh. That place was scary. We're just gonna put some blocks in front of it so nothing can get out. Those guys can break through doors. Alright. I have to figure out where we are. Let's see. By the way, I have light because of my miner helmet from the Indonesia mod. Pretty cool. looks like we're on like an island or something. Ow. Guess we're on an island. Oh, that house was horrifying. That was a bad cave to go into. Alright. Well, I was going to have a weeping angel sneak up on me, but none of them spawned and then I broke all the spawners. Well, you know what, we'll just... So creepy. Oh, I forgot I can only get out of creative. I'm going to game. Oops. Let me get one real quick. Sorry, guys. Alright, let's get one of these out of here real quick. Because there was supposed to be one up here. There we go. Oh, you know what? We might as well make it a challenge and make there be two. Let's see. Where should we go? Gosh, what was that? Oh. Oh. Let's see, where should we go? Gotta keep our eye on them. I don't know where should... They're coming! Hey, Mr. Pig. Oh, God. Go. Okay. I hear stuff behind me. No. Sheep, can I hide behind you? Okay. Let's see. Oh no! Got really close that time. Alright. Oh God. Oh God. I'm just gonna run for it. No! Okay. I think I lost him. No, I didn't. He's still up there. And now I'm just gonna give him these. Okay. New plan. Go this way. Go this way. Oh God. He's still back there. Where did I lost them? I lost them. I don't know where they are. Where are they? Did I lose them? Did I lose them? I don't know. I don't know where they went. I can't see them. Oh God! There he is. He's right there. Oh, he got me. He got me. Where did he put me?